Good afternoon, Party Club members. I am here with a friend of mine, Dennis Milstead. He goes to our church. He works here at Vermeer Heartland. And I thought we would interview him on a career option that he does. So, Dennis, what do you do here at Vermeer Heartland?
Here at Vermeer Heartland, I am a workplace operations manager, and I handle everything from contract purchasing to safety to anything that has to be done with grounds, with facilities, building new buildings, working between contractors. I also do some of the safety inspections on cranes and forklift training. And then I also am one of two pilots for the company airplane.
Well, awesome. Sounds like that's interesting. What is your actual role here at Vermeer Heartland? Like, what is your actual title?
My title here is Workplace Operations Manager.
What kind of equipment do you guys use at home?
Here at Vermeer, we have about 3 different lines of equipment. We have what's called our arborist line for brush chipping, stump cutting, mulch manufacturing. That's one line that we have. We have an underground division that does trenching for cross-country trenching. And then we have a whole nother division that is designed around underground for directional drilling for utilities and back services and so forth that go with that. On top of that, there is a whole nother part of Vermeer that is developed around the ag industry.
What kind of qualification do you need to be able to operate this equipment?
Depending on what piece of equipment it is, you need to be able to do math. You need to be able to have just general good work ethic to be on the job all the time. You have to be safe in what you do. There's a lot of hazards that can happen while you're out on a job site. But other than that, it can all be trained per piece of equipment because each one's a little different.
Well, that is awesome. Thank you for sharing. Tell us about the company plane. What kind of plane is it, and what do you guys do with the plane?
We currently have a Cirrus SR-22T. It is a 5-passenger airplane. We have 5 stores in 4 states. Our Washington Courthouse store is our corporate store. So we have Nashville, Tennessee, Knoxville, Tennessee, Charleston, West Virginia, and Elizabethtown, Kentucky. And then our manufacturing facility is out in Pella, Iowa. So we use the plane to move our people faster between those locations, and it's a lot better than driving. So we do a lot of the flying around.
Who is the main pilot of the plane?
There are 2 of us here that are pilots for the plane. The owner and myself, we're both equal as far as pilots go. We both have all the same ratings and about the same hours.
Well, that is awesome. One last and final question for you, Dennis. For the younger kids, what would you tell them as advice to coming into this career?
If you were wanting to be grow up into this career, again, one thing you do want to have is good math and English skills. You do want to be able to build relationships with people that you work with. You really have to have a good work ethic. Really kind of need to be here every day and do the best you can in order to make this work the way that we do.
Well, awesome. Thank you for sharing, Dennis, and thank you for taking time out of your evening to give us a little info about what you do. And for you Party Club members, until next time, see ya.